The upcoming Memorial Day weekend signals the unofficial start to the summer camping season. If you have plans to camp with your kids, pack a few precautions along with those needed supplies. Camping is a fun way to spend time together as a family.
Camping is a blast, but if you have little kids, you have to think ahead about some safety things.
Pediatrician Dr. Pilar Bradshaw says when camping with children, supervision is key to safety.
There are all kinds of things that are dangerous to little kids, so a designated adult per child or a designated adult per area of the campsite.
In addition to supervision, keep fire safety top of mind even after you put out your campfire.
Many times in the last 30 years, I've seen kids who have fallen into an extinguished fire pit. And remember, that pit stays hot for hours, so you want to have an extra eye on your toddlers, have them within arm's reach when there's a campfire either going or recently extinguished.
Be sure to bring along first aid supplies, including Band-Aids and bandages, antiseptic wipes and ointment, acetaminophen and ibuprofen, and antihistamines, as well as sunscreen and insect repellent. Be extra careful if your campsite is near water. Children can drown quickly if they become submerged. Be sure kids wear bright-colored swimming suits or clothing to make them easier to see. And always wear proper-fitting Coast Guard-approved life jackets. Taking the right precautions will help ensure that your camping experience is not only fun, but safe for the whole family.
Being outside in nature is incredibly healthy for humans. It's fresh air, it's naturally calming, it's a fun family activity. You just have to get ready if you're going to go camping with kids.
Get more camping safety tips at eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelly Warner.